Hello students, this is the 23rd part of functions. Today I am going to explain some problems based on periodicity and even odd functions concept. Okay, I hope everyone knows the concept of periodicity. Okay, for example, a function f of x is said to be a periodic function if there exists a positive real number t such that f of t plus x equal to f of x for every x belongs to domain of the function, then the function is said to be periodic function. This is the definition. And one more thing is the such least t is called its fundamental period. Okay, so sine function, cos function are fundamental period 2 pi, and tan function, cot function are a periodic function with fundamental period pi. Okay, and step function is a periodic function with period 1. Fractional part function is a periodic function with period 1. Step function is not periodic function, like that. Okay, all the things we discussed already in function trigonometry concept. Just I want to explain problems. Here first problem, f of x is a periodic function. Okay, f of x is a periodic function. You don't know what is that period. K be a positive real number such that f of x plus k plus f of x equals 0 for all x belongs to R. Then the period of f of x. F of x period should find. What is given on f of x plus k equal to plus f of x equal to 0 is given. This rule is for all real x. So by using this relation directly you can't find its period. For example, this is in the form of f of k plus x equal to f of x. Then what I can say, k is the period of the function. If k is a period least, then I can say k is the period of the function. But here equality not there, no? Here plus is there. How to make it is equality? That is a difficult task for us. Do one thing, this is a special type of problem. It is true for all x, no? Any x it is happens. No, put x equal to x plus k. So say this is first equation. The first equation becomes, so what is our target, Nana? F of x plus some real number equal to f of x, such a way that you want to reduce that equation. That's why instead of x I wrote x plus k. So what happened to this? F of 2x plus k plus f of x plus k equal to 0. Yeah, from first equation, instead of f of x plus k, I can write minus f of x. I will write f of 2x plus k. I think this 2k plus x, not 2x plus k. Sorry. Yeah, x, no, here instead of x I am writing x plus k, 2k plus x, or 2k plus x. Okay, 2k plus x. So plus, instead of this what I can write, plus of minus f of x I can write. From 1 I can say equal to 0. What happened? F of 2k plus x is equal to f of x. Now I got. So this is only required result. This is in the form of f of t plus x equal to f of x. Then the function is periodic function with fundamental period t. Then I can say the period is 2k. So this is in the form of f of t plus x equal to f of x for positive real t. Here also the positive, no? K is given clearly, k is a positive real. So 2k also positive real. Therefore, given function is periodic function with period 2k. F of x is periodic with period 2k. So my answer is 2k. Now where is that? Here. Okay, next problem. Yeah, what is next problem? The period of this function, cos of cos x plus cos of sin x. Cos of cos x, cos of cos x plus sin of cos of sin x. cos of sin x. Yeah, students, first of all, just use definition or directly while observing also you can say its period. So try to check for 2 pi, pi and pi by 2. So 2 pi obviously will satisfy. Need to check for pi, cos of pi plus x. What happened? Minus cos x. Cos of minus cos x plus cos x only, no problem. Okay, so what happened here? You need to check for 2 pi and pi, or do one thing. Try to write definition. F of t plus x, I will use another color, equal to cos of cos t plus x plus cos of sin t plus x. Yeah, what should write instead of t, so that again you will get f of x. That is the problem. So this objective problem, no, just like options are pi by 2 pi something. Obviously 2 pi will satisfy, obviously, but other than 2 pi you need to identify lesser number, real number. So lesser than 2 pi means pi and pi by 2, like that. So I will check for pi, put t equal to pi, then RHS, what happened to RHS I will write, cos of t pi plus x plus cos of sin of pi plus x. So this is cos of 180 plus theta minus cos theta, cos x, plus cos of sin of 180 plus theta minus sin theta, sin x, or cos of means cos theta only, that's why cos of cos theta will get, plus cos of sin theta. What is the reason means I will write here, cos of minus theta, cos theta only. So this is nothing but f of x. What I got? F of pi plus x equal to f of x. What I can say? Pi is the period of the function. Okay, period of the function is pi. Students, our problem number 3, given, yeah, the graph of f of x, this E is symmetrical about y axis, and then what the value of n means, this function is even function, indirectly given f of x is even function, f of x is an even, that is f of minus x equal to f of x. This is one result. So what is f of x here? F of x equal to a power x minus 1 by x power n into a power x plus 1. F of minus x should find now here. A power minus x plus minus 1 by minus x power n into a power minus x plus 1. Okay, instead of this, what I can, f of x I can write, f of x equal to 1 by a power x minus 1 into 1 by minus 1 power n into x power n into, directly I want to write another step, a power x by a power x plus 1. Okay, yeah, so instead of this f of x I can write this. What is that? A power x minus 1 by x power n into a power x plus 1 should be equal to this. What is that? 1 minus a power x 1 by a power x into a power x by minus 1 power n into x power n into a power x plus 1. Okay. Yeah, now some cancellations. Yeah, this x power n can cancel, this get cancelled, this get cancelled, this get cancelled, gives one minus. So what I am getting? Minus 1 power n equal to minus 1. When this happens, if n equal to n, obviously 2 won't satisfy, n equal to 2 won't satisfy, it's cross check. No, I want cross check 2 by 3, n is 2 by 3. So minus 1 power 2 by 3 should be equal to minus 1, or minus 1 whole square whole power 1 by 3 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 square 1 only. 1 power 1 by 3 won't gives minus 1, means this is also not correct. 1 by 4 obviously not correct. Fourth root of minus 1 never 1. No? So we have left with fourth option, that is minus 1 by 3. I want to check that. Minus 1 power minus 1 by 3. Yeah, this is 1 by minus 1 power 1 by 3. That is 1 by minus 1, that is called minus 1, which is satisfying. So I can say that the favorable n value is minus 1 by 3. Okay. Yeah, fourth problem. Yeah, you want to find period of this function. This is periodic function with period 2 pi. This is periodic function with period 1. We want to find LCM of 2 pi and 1. LCM of 2 pi and 1 does not exist. Why? This is irrational and rational. We can't find LCM between rational and irrational. Does not exist. That is, f of x is not periodic function. Okay, so I can say fourth is correct one. Okay, students, next problem, interesting problem. F of x is equal to e power x cube nana into signum function SGN, signum x power 7. What type of function? Even or odd? Just to find f of minus x. If it is equal to f of x, I can say even. Equal to minus f of x, I can say odd. E power minus x cube into signum of minus x power 7. So interesting problem, Nana. This is equal to e power minus x cube. Oh, something is the tan also there. I forgot to write that. Wait. Yeah. What is the actual question? Tan x power 5. Tan into x power 5 into e power x cube into signum. Signum of x power 7. Okay, no problem. So tan into minus x power 7, 5 e power minus x cube into signum of minus x power 7. Okay. So students, listen here. First of all, you know about signum function. This is signum function. What is signum of 2 nana? 1. What is signum of minus 2? Minus 1, obviously. So instead of 1, what I get? F of 2 I can write. What happened? F of minus 2 equal minus f of 2. Means what is the meaning of that? Signum function is an odd function. That's why here we will get minus. Here we will get 1 minus here. Okay, I will write that. Here minus x power 5 is minus into x power 5. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta. Here we will get minus tan into x power 5 into e power. Here minus x cube means minus x cube into minus signum of x power 7. Just now explained. Okay, this is equal to minus tan into x power 5. So this minus into gives plus nana e power x cube into signum of x power 7. So what you got? This is nothing but f of x. I will observe f of x. What I got? F of minus x equal to minus f of x. Now you can say that f of x is an odd function. F of x is an odd. Okay. Even function odd one. I will. Okay, next sixth problem. Interesting problem. Important model also. Given. What is given? F of x a real valid odd function. F of minus x equal to minus f of x for every x belongs to its domain. Now some functions are given below. We want to check what type of functions they are. So first of all, first option, f of x plus f of minus x by 2 equal to f of x as it is. Instead of f of minus x, I can write minus f of x by 2 equal to 0. Means this is equal to 0. Given function is equal to 0. 0 is neither even or odd, because what is graph? X-axis only. X-axis symmetrical about y-axis and x-axis are symmetrical about the point origin. So it is satisfying both the definitions of even and odd. That's why we can't say that is even, we can't say that is odd. That's why what they gave option is wrong. Okay. Now you want to choose second function. What is that, Nana? F of x minus f of x by 2. Okay, equal to. So f of x as it is. So instead of this f of minus x, minus of f of x, or minus of minus plus f of x, we will get by 2. That is 2 times of f of x by 2 means f of x only. Okay, what is f of x actually given? Odd. What is the meaning of that? This function is odd, but what is given here? Even. So this you got odd, but what is given? Even. That's why this is wrong. If this is wrong, fourth option is wrong, because what is, these two are same, no? This is the odd function you got. Actually you got odd function, this one. So what you got? Even given, but what is given here? Neither even or odd. This is also wrong only, no? So just we need to check the option number 3. Okay. Step of mod of f of x plus 2. Okay. What type of function this? Yeah, actually this can be written as step of mod f of x plus 2. Both are same. Yeah, say let it be h of x. H of minus x I want find. Step of f of minus x plus 2. Okay. So what is f of minus x, Nana? Minus f of x. So mod directly you can say f of x only. F of x mod plus 2. So what is this? This is nothing but h of x only, na? H of minus x equal h of x. So what type of function this? Even function. So third one is saying that it is an even, correct. Third option is correct. Okay. Yeah, next question. Students, question number 7. F of x is given as mod cos x plus mod sin x. Simple function. But just observing the given function, you can say that it is a periodic function with period pi by 2, but not that. No, something is given. 2 are periodic functions, so the same fundamental period. Then what is the value of a? Okay. Yeah. Given, I will write first of all. Given that sin ax plus cos ax, comma, mod cos x plus mod sin x are periodic functions with equal fundamental periods. With equal periods. So I want to take this function as a first function, this function second function. I want to find the period of first function. Period of first function is 2 pi by a LCM of, comma, 2 pi by a. That is 2 pi by a is 2 pi by a. So what happened? First function period is 2 pi by a. Now I want to find the period of second function. No need to find period, now directly you know that this pi by 2 is a period. Now pi by 2 will satisfy obviously. So is directly pi by 2 only. So therefore 2 pi by 2 equal to pi by 2. So 2 pi by a, this one, sorry, this is pi get cancelled. So what you got? A equal to 4. Okay, directly, na, this is standard question only, no? Its period is obviously pi by 2. So a equal to 4. Where is that? Yeah, I can move with the option 4. Okay, Renan. So 8th problem, interesting one, important model. Actually these are called functional equation. Functional equation concept not there for us. So just observing the given function, we need to create a functions. Nana. F of x plus f of y equal to f of x plus y by 1 minus xy for every x comma y belongs to R. Students, for this type of functions, we want to create a function like this, f of x equal to 2 times of f of x or minus f of x, or like that. We want to create a function in single variable. How can you create? Just instead of y you can write x, or you can write x plus 1, or you can write x plus 2. Such a way that you want to make it is a single variable function. Because given that no, it is true for all x and y. It is true for all x and y. Okay, do one thing. What you want? Periodic, odd, even. Maybe odd even concept. So you want to check what type of function is this. What I should do now? Put y equal to 0. What happened? If y equal to 0, okay, put y equal to 0. It is true for all x and y, no? Anything you can substitute. F of x plus f of 0 equal to f of x plus 0 x only by 1 minus 0. F of x plus f of 0 is 1. So these two get cancelled. What will get? F of 0 equal to 0. This is also one of the helpful result for us. Now what I should do? So instead of y I want to write minus x now. Instead of y minus x, which is better weight. Instead of y you write minus x, f of x, f of minus y, here 0, 0, f of x plus, okay, understood. Yeah, put y equal to minus x. What happened? F of x no change plus f of minus x, this one, equal to f of c. Instead of y, if you write minus, total is 0, no? 0 by 1 plus 2x x square. So finally what I can write? 0 I can write. So f of x plus f of minus x. Instead of f of 0, instead of 0, what I can? 0 I can write. Already this is 1. From 1 I can see. So what I got I will write here. Okay, then what you got? F of x plus f of minus x equal to 0, or f of x equal to minus f of minus x, or f of minus x equal to minus into f of x. What type of function? Odd, obviously. Odd function. Where is the options? Okay, I can say that 2 is correct answer for that. Yeah, next question. This is also same model, important model only. Functional equations are given, that's why. F of x plus y plus f of x minus y equal 2 times of f of x into f of y. Okay, f of 0 not equal to 0. What I should do now? Put x equal to y. Put if x equal to y, f of 0 will get f of 2x. Here f of 2x. Oh, I want f of 0 value. Okay, f of 0 value means put y equal to 0. What happened, Nana? F of x plus f of x 2 times of f of x into f of 0. 2 times of f of x equal to 2 times of f of x into f of 0. F of x is, I am assuming that f of x is not equal to 0, then what will get, Nana? F of 0 value equal to 1. Okay, so somewhere I will mention that f of 0 equal to 1. What I got? Okay. Now what I should do? Put y equal to x. Put y equal to x. Now what happened? F of 2x plus f of 0 equal to 2 into f of x into f of x. F of 2x, already f of 0 is 1, nana. 1 equal to 2 times of f of x square, or f of 2x is equal to 2 into f of x square minus 1. Observe, nana. Okay, if f of x equal to cos x, for example. So what is f of 2x? Cos 2x. Cos 2x equal to cos square x minus 1. Correct only, no? Cos 2x formula. So f of cos x will satisfy equation 1. So many functions will satisfy, but one of the function is cos x is satisfying. No, now I can say that f of x is cos x. What type of function cos x? Cos x is an even function. So finally what I can say? Even function. I am solving the problem using objective type, not descriptive type. So finally what I can conclude? Given function is an even function. Okay. Yeah, next. Simple problem, na? F of x is equal to modulus is there, should take care of that. Cos x by 2 power 5. What should find? Period should find. Okay. What is cos x fundamental period? Cos x fundamental period 2 pi. Okay, here cos x by 2 and that 2 5. No, try to do one thing. Draw the definition, then directly we will get the idea. Na? Cos of x plus t by 2, I can say 5, anywhere you can write, for that is a big problem. So cos of t by 2 plus x by 2 power 5. Power 5, that is interesting thing. Instead of t by 2, I can write 2 pi, obviously will satisfy. Below 2 pi, pi also will satisfy. Observe now, pi. Instead of pi by 2, write pi. What happened? Cos pi plus theta, cos pi plus theta minus cos theta, power 5 minus, mod is there, no problem. That's why what I can say, instead of t by 2 I can write pi. So t by 2 is pi, then what is the value of t? 2 pi. So 2 pi is become the period of this function. Okay, so this is option 2 is correct. So if you don't know anything, use definition, then you can find period directly. Yeah, modulus of mod sin x minus mod cos x. So this is also interesting problem. Just like mod of a minus b and mod of b minus a, both are same. What is the meaning of that? X by 2, pi by 2 will satisfy. Pi by 2, if you write pi by 2, what will get here? Minus cos x you will get, here minus sin x you will get. Mod of a minus b and minus mod of b minus both are same. What is the meaning of that? This is same as mod of mod sin x minus mod cos x only, which is same given function. So what I can say, given function is a periodic function with fundamental period pi by 2, not pi, not 2 pi. Those all satisfy. There are not fundamental periods. Least one is pi. Pi by 2, sorry, pi by 2. Pi by 2 is satisfying. Okay, 12th problem also important model. This problem already completed. Odd function this one actually. Yeah, f of x equal to logarithm of x plus root over x square minus 1. F of minus x equal to logarithm of minus x plus root over, I think this is plus, okay, x square plus 1. Okay, what you want to do now? Inside of a function should be rationalized. Rationalize the numerator. Minus x plus, I will rewrite it, then directly you get the result. Okay. So equal to logarithm of root over x square plus 1 minus x I can write. Now I want to rationalize root over x square plus 1 minus x by root over x square plus 1 plus x into root over x square plus 1 plus x. Multiply, divided. What happened? logarithm of numerator is x square plus 1 minus x square by root over x square plus 1 plus x. Okay students, somewhere I will write. Yeah, what happened? X square get cancelled. So logarithm of 1 by root over x square plus 1 plus x. So this is nothing but logarithm of root over 1 plus x square plus x power minus 1 I can write. So according to the, I will write here, wait. In logarithmic, one law is there, no? Law number 3, x power n to the base e or a, whatever it may be, n into log x base c. What is this? Minus 1 into logarithm of root over 1 plus x square plus x. So that is minus 1 into f of x, that one. What you got? F of minus x equal to 1 into f of minus x means minus f of x. Means odd function. Odd. Yeah, f and g be two odd functions, then the function f circle g. Interesting problem, super problem, 13th. F and g are odd functions given f of minus x equal to minus f of x, g of minus x equal to minus g of x. Okay, where is that f circle g function? Let it be h of x equal to f circle g of x. We want to know what type of function is this. So h of x, how can I write? F of g of x. H of minus x I want to find. F of g of minus x. F of g of minus x means minus g of x I can write. So feel that f of minus theta. F of minus theta means minus f of theta, because f is an odd function. Minus f of g of x I can write. So what is the meaning of the minus f circle g of x, that one? What you got, Nana? That is minus h of x you got. Finally, h of minus x equal to minus h of x. What is the meaning of this? Given function is an odd function. Okay. Yeah. Cos of mod sin x minus mod cos x. Students, listen. Just mod sin x minus mod cos x means period becomes pi, not pi by 2, pi will satisfy this. Okay, if here another mod is there, I can pi by 2 will satisfy, period. Indirectly another mod is indirectly, because cos function, no, cos of minus theta plus cos theta only. Already we did one problem, no, modulus problem. Indirectly modulus is given, indirectly cos. Because what is the meaning of that? Cos of a minus b, I can say cos of b minus a only, both are same. That's why what is the period of this function? Pi by 2. Okay, Nana? Just I explain, no, here one problem. Yeah, here 7th problem, not 7th. Okay, here only, no. 11th and 14th are same. Here one mod is given, instead of mod cos is given. Cos of a minus b or cos of b minus, both are same. Now I can say pi by 2 is the period of the function. Okay, next. Period of this function is what? Yeah. Do one thing, students. Yeah, use definition, then directly we will get the answer. F of x equal to sin pi x plus e power step 3x, fractional part of 3x. Okay. Yeah. F of t plus x sin of what? T pi plus pi x. plus e power 3t plus 3x I can write. So instead of this, what should write then? Pi will satisfy. Pi. Sin of pi plus theta minus sin theta. Minus sin theta, use another minus. Okay, 2 pi should satisfy. 2 pi. So here 2 pi. First function period I want to find separately. Second function period find separately. Their LCM only gives the period of the total function. So period of this function. So t pi should be equal to 2 pi now. So t should be equal to 2, means 2 is the period of first function. Second function, fractional part of x means period 1, no? Fractional part of ax means 1 by a only, no? That's what is the period? 1 by 3. Now you want to find LCM of 2 and 1 by 3. 2 and 1 by 3. LCM of 2 by 1 and 1 by 3. LCM of numerator divided by GCF of denominator. 2 by 1. 2 is the period of the total function. Now I can say 2 is correct answer for that.